Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw English alphabet. Let's start drawing. I start with letter A. This is B, C, D, E,
A, B, C, D, E, F,
F,
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O,
G,
Q, R, S, T, U, V,
H,
W, X,
I,
and Z. Now
J,
I know my ABCs. Next time,
K,
won't you sing with me?
L,
A, B, C,
M,
D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K,
N,
L, M, N, O, P, Q,
O,
R, S, T, U, V, W,
P,
X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
Q,
Next time, won't you sing with me?
R, S, D, U, V,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J,
W,
K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
X,
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I
Y.
know my ABCs. Next time,
Finally, I'm drawing Z. Great job! Now I use this marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I,
Let's
J,
paint.
K, L, M, N, O,
I start with red,
Q, R, S, T,
orange,
W, X, Y, and Z.
yellow,
I know my ABCs. Next time,
light green,
sing with me.
green, light blue, blue, purple, light pink, pink, brown, gray, cream. Do you know how many letters in the alphabet? Red, orange. There are 26 letters. Good job. Yellow, green, blue,
Now I know my ABCs.
purple.
Next time, won't you
Learning alphabet is so much fun. Pink,
A, B, C, D, E, F,
light green,
H, I, J, K, L, M,
light
N, O,
blue,
Q, R, S,
light pink,
V, W, X, Y,
cream.
and Z.
Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.
Next
Brown,
time, won't you sing with
red.
me?
All the letters of the alphabet are so colorful. See you on the next video.